What's in Raccoon's bag? Huh? Trash? You shouldn't throw trash on the ground, Raccoon! What's happening? No! It's a trash monster! Trash belongs in the dumpster, Raccoon! Oh no! He's got a controller! He can move the monster! Leo, it wants your ice cream! Run! Watch out! Get away from Leo, you stinky, yucky trash! Quick, Mom! Leo's in danger! Super Mom to the rescue! Up and away, ready to save the day!
Get away from my kid!
Yeah! Super Zap! Super Mom's brave and mighty!
Super Mommy's back!
Watch out! Raccoon's still got the controller! And Trash Monster's eating up more trash to get bigger!
No!
Don't worry, Leo. No one can beat Super Mom. Throw the bag bomb, Mom. Gotcha! Oh, no! You're not running away from this mess, Raccoon! Yuck! Trash snot! Mom, zap him to smash the trash! Zip, zap, zap! Watch him pop! Raccoon's trapped by his own dirty trash! Mom wants a word with you.
This is what happens when you throw trash around.
Sorry, I won't do this again.
No.
Clean up your mess, Raccoon. This will keep you out of mischief. Leo will help, because he knows throwing trash around is bad for our planet, and all the animals and birds, too. Wheel it up into the dumpster truck.
Yeah!
Yeah! No more trash on the ground, and no more trash monster. Dad's on his way to the recycling center. No! Help! Fiery flames! Firefighter Lucky will stop you. Water blast time! Haha, you're not fast enough. Huh? Why is Rascal Raccoon here? Oh no! He's stealing colors! No! Fire engine's lost its rescue red! Lucky, look! Run! You can't stop the fire now! Yikes! A boo-boo! We need the rescue team! Nurse Lucy, can you help? Yeah! She knows what to do! Cream will clean your boo-boo! And a Band-Aid will fix you up! Watch out, kids! Raccoon's here! Oh no! He's taken yellow! Give them back! Not the green, too! Stop, thief! I'm gonna call 911! Quick, police officer Leo! He's getting away! No! He's taking the blue! Now we don't have a rescue team! Ah! He's losing control! Crash, bang, wallop! Now you need the rescue team.
Help me!
But you stole their colors. Blast those colors back, Leo. Zap! Zing! Leo, they're the wrong colors. Try it again. Yeah, you did it. Rescue team, Raccoon needs you. Phew, just in time. Come on, Lucky, aim and blast. Nurse Lucy to the rescue. Bend down lower. What do you say, Raccoon?
Thanks. And I'm sorry.
The rescue team are heroes.
That's why the rescue team is so important.
That's right. Yeah. Leo, no. You've got to stop. Police officer's gonna talk to you.
I don't know where to look.
When it's red, we stop, don't we? What's Raccoon up to? Yikes! He's stolen the siren! And Leo's scooter, too! Quick! Let's go after him! Look! A siren! Stop right there, rotten raccoon! Oh no! He's made fire flames! We need the fire service! That won't do, Leo. Yeah, rescue's here. But he's taken his siren back. Lucy's got a plan. Aha! She's hooked another siren. Yeah! Careful, Molly. Ah, she's hurt her leg. We need to bandage that bump. Yes, Lucy, like that. Police officer, that's a toilet roll. Great, the ambulance is here. And the medic wants her siren back. Oh dear, where will we get a siren from now? Look, the excavator has one. Thanks, airplane, that'll do. Rotten Raccoon is so naughty, isn't he? What's he gonna do? Yikes! He's blown up the bridge! We need an excavator to move these stones! Yay! Here it comes! But she wants her siren back! Raccoon needs to be stopped, doesn't he? Our friends will help! That'll slow you down! It's time he was picked up! Woohoo! Our siren's back!
Yay!
Working together brings the best results! Yeah! Leo, take your hand out of the hive! The honey belongs to the bees! And now they're angry! Oh no! Now the ants are gonna eat the sweet honey! Run, Leo, or bee will sting you! Watch out! It's a basket helmet, haha!
I just wanted to eat some honey, but these bees won't give me any. I'll show you how honey is made.
Leo's got a stripy bee belly! Beautiful!
First, you need to imagine that you are a bee.
What do bees do, Lucy?
We must collect nectar from flowers.
Nectar is like yummy sugar water.
Fill these honeycombs with nectar.
Honey challenge time! Who will collect the most nectar? Bees suck up the nectar using their tongue. They then move the honey from their tummies into the honeycomb. Your turn, Leo. Not too much, though. Now it's too heavy.
Don't rush and be careful.
Try again, Leo. Yeah, keep collecting, kids. Bees live and work together to make lots of honey. Huh? Big Bad Bug wants the nectar too.
Get away from my flower!
That's how bees protect themselves too, with their super stingers. Nearly there, kids! Whoa! The wind's getting stronger! Hold tight, or it'll blow you away! Oh no!
Well done!
Phew! Safe and soft landing!
Yeah, the wind is over!
I think you've collected enough to fill the honeycombs. Yippee! Sweet success!
This is why honey is very difficult to make.
Look, Leo, the bees have something for you. A sweet jar of yummy honey. Yeah! Come on, kids. Sit nicely and wait for the movie to start. Whoa!
Meow.
Leo, stop running around. Come and sit down. That's not your seat, Leo.
Leo. Meow.
Look, this is your seat number on the ticket. Number 7. Yeah, the movie's starting.
Cosmo Cats. Yeah.
Lucy, don't throw your trash. Can you find it? Here it is. Now where do we put trash?
Meow meow. Morley meow.
That's right. Straight into the recycling bin. Quick, you're missing the movie.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lucy wants popcorn too. Lucy, don't do that.
Yeah.
Now no one has popcorn.
Shush.
You have to behave.
Yeah.
You're spoiling the movie for everyone.
Meow.
Look at those puppy, kitty eyes. Sit down, Lucy, and wait patiently. Stop that! Shadow puppets shouldn't be on the movie screen. No, Leo, not you two. You two are gonna get in trouble. Uh-oh, they've stopped the movie.
Meow meow. 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 Morley meow. Meow.
What do you say, kids?
Morley.
Now sit quietly and enjoy the rest of the movie.
Morley. Meow.
What? It's ended. Dad's sad. He loves watching Cosmo Cats. Oh, popcorn. 3D glasses, too. We're at the home cinema showing! Yeah! Cosmo Cats will save the day! Great movie, kids! Yippee! Road trip! No! Don't do that! Oh no! Super Cat's fallen!
Oh.
Look! He's hanging around!
Yeah.
Back we go! Reach high, Mom!
Yeah. Do not stick anything out of the car window.
Be good now, Leo! Oh, booming burp! Hey, Leo, don't litter! Yuck! So dirty!
Do not litter in the car.
Ah! Garbage gremlins! What should you do, Leo? No! You're gonna cause an accident!
Why? Are you okay? Leo, you can't throw trash out of the window.
I'm sorry.
Leo, go and pick it up. Where does it go? That's right, the trash can. Oops, Leo needs the toilet. Ugh, quick, Dad, pull over.
I want to go to the toilet.
It's okay, Leo. Here's a potty.
Meow.
Go behind the bushes so no one sees.
Meow.
Where are you going?
Oh.
Ah, he's found a bush. Hongy poo. Don't be afraid. It's only a storm.
Don't worry, I'm the best driver in the world.
Whoa, a mud bath. Wish, wash, car wash. Yikes! What's happening?
The monster wants to eat us!
It's not a monster, it's a car wash. And it's fun.
Look! Bubbly, bouncy soap suds. The rollers are rocking it. Wowee!
We arrived.
Let the fun begin! Wow, super cool sports car, Leo. Did you win? Yeah, Leo's number 1. Oh, looks like Lucy doesn't agree. Aw, that's cheating. Wow, Lucy's so pretty in pink. What do you think, Mom and Dad? I guess they love the color too. Leo, Lucy doesn't like black. What's your idea, Lucy? What are we gonna color? All done! Jump in, Leo! Ready! Pink versus black car challenge! Lucy's leading! But not for long! Uh-oh! Watch out, Lucy! Oh no! Black paint! Uh-oh! Lucy's angry now! Looks like it's payback time! Pink paint cloud attack! And the winner is…
You crossed the finish line together.
Yeah, you're both winners. Black and pink together. Wow! Lucy and Leo are flying high. Go through them. Don't touch them. Lucy, do the challenges together. Watch out! You've got to dodge the rocks. There's so many. Look! A safety shield. Lucy's protected now. The rocks can't hurt her. Yikes! Leo, your airplane's broken. Quick! Get the first aid kit. Yeah, you're safe. Careful! Fly up and over the bricks. Oh, what's that? What does it do, Leo? Yuck! It drops poo bombs. Move, Lucy. Leo's dropping smelly poos. Bleh, stinky. Oh no, Lucy's trapped in a stink cloud. You're okay now. Open your eyes. Yikes! The airplane's out of control. No, the wings broke. Yeah, magic wings. They'll keep you safe. What's Leo seen? Wow, a golden airplane. Huh? What's up? Lucy beat you to it, Leo. Wow, Lucy, you've got the magic airplane. It does tricks and flies through anything. Aw, Leo, your airplane's cool too. Look, Leo, this'll make your airplane fast. You've got super speed now. Press the button. We have liftoff. Ah, are they storm clouds? Phew. Oh no, Leo's put Lucy in a spin. Watch out. Yikes, you've lost your power. Look for a shield. Help him, Lucy. No! Quick, Lucy! Phew! Great flying, Lucy! What is it? Ah! A big block wall! What an awesome game!
Sorry. Let's play again. Oh no!
Can I play too? Ready?